Hello, 6th grade math students. This is Chapter 7.2, Evaluating Algebraic Expressions. In Chapter 7.1, we learned to write algebraic expressions, and in this chapter, we'll learn to evaluate expressions for given values of the variable. Let's begin. We'll begin with the word problem. Simon, who we'll represent as S, has X marbles, and Cynthia has 3. How many more marbles does Simon have than Cynthia? Well, we'd first write an algebraic expression. If Simon has more, then it will be X minus 3, correct? Because we'll take Simon's number of marbles minus Cynthia's number of marbles, which is X minus 3. So if we want to know exactly how many more marbles Simon has than Cynthia, we need to know the value of X. And if we have a value for X, we can do what's called evaluate the expression. So let's say X equals 5. What if X does equal 5? We would simply substitute the value of 5 in for X in our expression. So our expression would become 5 minus 3, or 2. If X equals 5, Simon has 2 more marbles than Cynthia. What if X equals 9? Well then, we would substitute in 9 for X in our expression, and our answer would become 6. Simon has 6 more marbles than Cynthia. What if X equals 17? Then we substitute in 17 for X in our expression, and we get an answer of 14. Simon has 14 more marbles than Cynthia. Let's evaluate a few more expressions. Let's evaluate X plus 12 when X equals 5. Okay, all we have to do is substitute. So we take the value for the variable. In this case, X equals 5. So we'll place 5 where X used to be, and then complete the operation, giving us an answer of 17. Okay, next, let's evaluate 16 minus Y when Y equals 9. Okay, once again, we simply substitute, giving us an answer of 7. Let's evaluate 3Z plus 6 when Z equals 4. Once again, we simply substitute. Remember, 3Z means 3 times Z, so we're going to write times 4 here. And then don't forget to follow your rules of PEMDAS. You will multiply first and then add. So 3 times 4 equals 12, plus 6 equals 18. And finally, let's work an example using division. Let's evaluate W over 4 minus 4 when W equals 20. Once again, we simply substitute. So it becomes 20 over 4 minus 4 equals, remember, follow your PEMDAS rules. We'll divide before we subtract. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5 minus 4, and that gives us a final answer of 1. So when W equals 20, W divided by 4 minus 4 equals 1. Practice this idea on your own. For each of the following expressions, evaluate for the given value of X. For example, if X is equal to 22, what is the value of X minus 15? And moving down the chart here, what is the value of 22 minus X divided by 5 if X equals 20? And then what happens if you change the order of the operations? What is the value of 22 minus X divided by 5 if X equals 20? Please go ahead and work through these examples. This actually concludes Chapter 7.2. It was a very short lesson. When I see you tomorrow, we'll do more work with evaluating expressions, working our way towards Chapter 7.3, where we will simplify algebraic expressions. See you tomorrow.